I'm switching from Sony to Canon, and the reason behind it is that I've always wanted Canon. I just could never afford it, and I'm finally in the range where I can afford a camera this expensive and this high quality. And I don't know, I feel like Canon is the epitome of YouTube and photography, and finally having the chance to have my hands on this camera is like insane. Without further ado, let's just like unbox it together. It's here. Okay. Sign for it. Like a grown-up. How do I do this? I don't know, but I'm scared. Got an extra battery because I'm not gonna screw this camera up. Oh my god. Okay. To myself. Okay, wait. Let's take out the accessories first. I'm shaking. And then we've got another battery. Got another battery. And then what's this? Oh, that's so blessed. They gave me a wristlet. This is such a good, it's high quality as fuck. Oh, hello, I have to put the battery in it. Okay, 2 minutes while I figure myself out. Oh, look at that. I also just love how it feels. It's also touchscreen. Oh my god. Why? Oh, that's so sick. I've never had a Canon camera. This is unreal.